Hi dear students, yesterday we completed the derivation on distance formula and also worked some examples. Now I said you to solve exercise 7.1 yourself. If any doubts please ask me. Otherwise we will go through first question. Yes, no response. Okay, we will go through first question from the exercise. Okay, right. So here is the first question. Find the distance between the following pair of points. So here is your exercise. Seven point one. So first one, find the distance between the following pairs of points. Okay, so in that first one, 2 3 4 1. So find the distance means we have to take one as x1 y1 and another one as x2 y2. We have, so you may take this as a and this as b. So ab equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is equal to square root of what is x2? 4. What is x1? Minus is minus. So 2 x2 x1 is 2. So whole square plus what is y2? Y2 is 1 minus y1 is what? 3 whole square. That is equal to square root of 4 minus 2 is 2 square plus minus 2 whole square. So 2 square is 4 plus again minus 2 square is also 4, that is 8. So we can also simplify this as 4 into 2. We can write this as 2 root 2. If 4 comes to outside, it becomes 2 root 2. So distance between the points 2 3 and 4 1 is 2 root 2. You may say as the units. Okay, so in the same way, if you want to solve second one, so that is minus 5 7 and minus 1 3. So this is a x1 y1, b x2 y2, consider like this. So here ab is given by square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is equal to square root of what is x2? X2 is minus 1. What is x1? This is this minus, keep as it is. So for this minus 5, keep in separate bracket whole square plus y2. What is y2? Y2 is 3 minus what is y1? That is 7 whole square. So this is equal to, so if any minus sign comes in the simplification means keep that in separate bracket. It will be a dangerous. Okay, minus sign, take care of it. So minus 1 minus into minus plus 5 whole square plus minus 3, 3 minus 7 is minus 4 whole square is equal to square root of, see, minus 1 plus 5 is plus 4 square plus minus 4 square, that is equal to 4 square is 16 minus 4 square is also 16, that becomes 32, that is also written as 16 into 2. So 4 root 2 units. Solve. So third one, So third one, what is the third question? Here they have given a b minus a minus b. Take p x1 y1 q x2 y2. Here you may solve this with another formula, that is x1 minus x2. That is also same result that will give. So if you write this as x2 is what, minus 1, sorry, yeah, x1 is what, a, right, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, same as x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 whole square is same as x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. You may use this or you may use this, both are correct. So is equal to, what is x1 here? x1 is a minus of minus a whole square plus, what is b, what is y1, what is y1, b minus of minus b, y2 is minus b whole square. So that is equal to, so a minus of minus plus a whole square plus b minus of minus plus b whole square. So that is equal to 2a whole square plus 2b whole square. So this is equal to 2 square is 4, a square is a square itself, plus 2 square is again 4. Okay, so if you take 4 common outside, what will remain? A square plus b square in the bracket. If you bring this 4 outside of the root, then you will get 2 root of a square plus b square. So units. Okay, you can take this screenshot of this for the notes. If you have any doubts, so ask. Okay, we'll move to next question. Second one, what is given? Find the distance between the points 0 0 and 36 15. Okay, can you now find the distance between, and also can you now find the distance between the two towns A and B. Towns A and B discussed in section 7.2. Okay, first we have to find the distance between these 0 0 and 36 15. Solution: consider A 0 0 and B 36 15. So this is x1 y1 and x2 y2. Therefore AB distance is given by x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is equal to square root of, what is x2, that is 36 minus 0 whole square plus 15 minus 0 whole square, that is equal to 36 square plus 15 square. What is the square of 36? Square of 36. 1296. 1296 plus 15 square is 225. So this is what 1296, 225. So 11 carry 1, 2 carry 1, 5, 1, 1521. Okay, so and also we have to find the distance between the two towns A and B discussed in the section 7.2. So where is the section 7.2? Wait, dear students, I had a call. Where is section 7.2? Okay, you can find the distance between the two cities later. Okay, I will go for third question. Okay, find it later, that one. So determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -11 are collinear. See, determine if the points 1, 5, 6, 4 and 7 -2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. So if these are the vertices of a isosceles triangle, then what is the condition? Sorry, so I written wrong. 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -11 are collinear. First, this one are collinear means we have to find the distance between these 3 points, and after by adding the sum of the two terms, that should be equal to the third term, then it is collinear. Okay, solution: A 1, 5, B 2, 3 and C -2, -11. Take this as x1 x2 x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So to find the distance between AB, okay, we have x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is given by, what is x2 minus x1? 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square, that is equal to square root of 1 square plus of -2 square, that is equal to square root of 1 plus minus 2 square is 4. That will be equal to root 5 units. Okay, in the same way, BC, to find BC we have what? X3 minus x2 whole square, y3 minus y2 whole square, that is equal to, what is x3? That is minus 2 whole square plus minus 11 minus 3 whole square, that is equal to square root of minus 2 is minus 4 whole square plus minus 11 minus 3 is minus 14 whole square, that is equal to 4 square is 16 plus 14 square is how much? 196. Yes, 196, that is equal to square root of
212, sir.
212 units. Okay. Next, to find AC, we have x3 minus x1 whole square plus y3 minus y1 whole square, that is equal to, what is x3? That is minus 2. What is x1? That is minus of 1, because this minus sign already in the middle, so minus, so this is 1 whole square plus minus 11 minus 5 whole square is equal to square root of minus 3 whole square plus, so minus 16, is it right? So minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 whole square, minus 11 minus 5 is minus 16 whole square, that is equal to square root of minus 3 whole square is 9 plus 16 whole square is how much?
256, sir.
Very good, 256. 256 plus 9 is
275, sir.
265 or 275?
275.
265. 265. Therefore, further simplification, what is AB? AB is equal to root 5. BC is equal to root 112. So split this 112 with any number that is divided by square number. Is it divisible by 4? Yes, it is divisible by 4. 4 2s are 8, 3 remains. 4 8s are 32. So this is equal to 4 into, again split 8 as 4 into 2. So these two 4 4s are 16, means if it comes outside means 1 4 root 2 unit. Okay, so in the same way, AC is given by what? Root 265, that is divisible by 5. So multiply by 5, divide by 5. 5 5 is a
25, sir. 25, sir.
5 5 is a 25. 1 remains, 5 3 is a, so 53. Whether it is divisible by 3? No.
No, sir.
So AB is equal to AB plus BC is equal to AC, we have to show. So in this, they are the roots. Okay, root 5 plus 4 root 2 becomes root 265. This is equal to this one. If you calculate the root values separately, you will get this condition. equal. Okay, so root problems we will solve it later. Okay, that one already came in 9th standard, so while revisioning I will solve this one. Okay, so this one condition, write it. Okay, one more question I have to solve. After that I add a work. Check whether check whether 5 minus 2, 6, 4 and 7 minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Are the vertices of an isosceles triangle, they are asking. So let A 5 2, B 6 4 and C 7 minus 2. So just you can also write like this: A 5 minus 2, B 6 4 and C 7 minus 2. So x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, or otherwise write here x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So solution, so AB is given by square root of x2 minus x1, 6 minus 5 whole square, 4 minus of minus becomes plus 2 whole square, is equal to square root of 6 minus 5 is 1 square plus 4 plus 2 is 6 square, okay, is equal to 1 plus 36, that is root 37 units. Okay, BC is given by x2 minus x1, or we may write x3 minus x2. So 7 minus 1 whole square plus minus 2 minus 4 whole square, that is equal to 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1 square, minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6 square, that is equal to 1 plus 36 is root 37 units. And one more, AC, that is equal to 7 minus 5, 7 minus 5 whole square minus y3 minus y1 minus 2, this minus 5 minus 2 minus half 5 is minus 5 whole square, that is equal to, so 7 minus 5 is 2 square plus minus 7 whole square, minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7, that is 4 plus 7 minus 7 square is 49, so root 53 units. Okay, so from the above result, AB, BC and AC, here AB is equal to BC, not equal to AC. AB and BC are equal and AC is not equal, therefore triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle because two sides are equal, one side is not equal to both, so it is an isosceles triangle. So everyone take the screenshots. As taken, right, we'll move
Yes,
to
sir.
again take this screenshot. Okay, next. Okay, we'll stop today here, we will continue tomorrow. Tomorrow there is no class because I had a exam duty, so tomorrow there is no class. Okay,
Okay, sir.
right. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.